Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Vinay and I'm an engineer in Google. Today I'll be teaching you set data structure. In this video I'll be covering what is set, accessing values in set methods, so difference, discard, difference, update, intersection, union, isdisjoint, issubset and issuperset. So let's get started. Sets are unordered collection of unique objects or items, and we create set by curly braces. So let me show you. So let's start with the heading. Okay, so let's say I create a small set 1 and it starts with curly braces 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and 5. So one important property of set is it only contains a unique value and it's an unordered collection. So that means the items are stored all over the places. There is no order, there is no index also. So if I want to check the type of this, so let's say print type set1. It's a class set, and if I print this out, then it removes the duplicate value. So the now 4 is removed from it. So let's say if we want to add a value to a set, add value to set. So set1 dot add, and let's say if I want to add a 6, set1 is not defined, my bad, set1. Okay, now the 6 is added, but as I mentioned, it doesn't allow duplicate value. So let's say if we want to add 6, 5, let's say, and then print set1, then it will not add. So if you want to add a duplicate value, then the other option is convert that into the list. So let's see how to convert that into the list. So convert set into list. So let's say we want to convert the set1 into a list. So list1. So what we do is list and then set1, and then if I just print list 1, okay, now let's convert that. Print, let's check the type of this type, and then I'll say list 1. Okay, now it's got converted to the list. Okay, now let's see how we can access the value in the sets. So let's do that. Accessing values in set. Okay, so if I do set1 like the way we do in list, so let's say I want to access second indexed, and if I run this, so as I already mentioned that you can't use index in the set. So the way to access the value in the set is convert them into the list. So as we already know that, so let's try this. So let's say I already converted so the set into the list. So we can try that list 1 and then 2, and if I print this out, so it will show the number 3 because at index 2, 0, 1, 0, 1 and 2, the value was 3. Okay, now let's learn different methods of set. So let's start with Okay, so let's create some sample sets. So these are tests. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, and set 3. So these are 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so let's start with first method. So there's difference. So what this method will do is it shows the difference, but the important thing, it doesn't modify the set. So let's say if I say set 2 dot difference, and then if I say set 3, and when I print this out, so what will happen is any duplicates that are removed and the rest of the values are displayed. So if you will see the 3 and 4 are removed from set 2 and only 1 and 2 are left, so that is displayed. So let's go to discard method. So what it will do is it will discard the value that we give in the set. So let's say if I say set 2 dot discard, and if I give 2, and then if I print set 2, then what will happen is the value 2 is removed from the set. And let's see difference update. So what this, so it's a little similar to the difference method, but what it does is it updates the set also. So let's say if I say set 2 dot difference update, and then if I give set 3, and then if I just run this, it will not do anything because now it updated the set as well. So now let's say if I print set 2, then what will happen is it removed the duplicate. So from the set 2, 3 and 4 are removed and only the 1 is left. So now that set is updated. Okay, now let's go to the method called intersection. So what this set is doing is it returns what is common between both the sets. So set 2 dot intersection dot, and then set 3. If I run this, it seems like nothing is common between the two sets. So let's recreate those again. So let's say if I recreate set 2 and set 3 again, and then run this, set 2 dot intersection set 3, and now you will see the 3 and 4 is common. That's why it returned 3 and 4 between the set 2 and 3. So now let's go through is this joint method. So what this is doing is it tells whether these two sets have anything in common. So let's say set 2 dot is disjoint, and then set 3, and if I run this, so it's false because 3 and 4 is common between these two sets. So now let's go through union. Okay, so set 2 dot union, and then set 3. So what union will do, it will combine both the values in the set into one. And then let's go through the last two are left is subset. So let's create actually different sets for this. So let's say I create set 4, and that is 1, 2, 3, and then there is set 5, and that says 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's cover both the methods together, set and issuperset. So what this will be doing is it will tell whether set 4 is a subset or not. So if I say set 4 is subset of set 5, so if I run this, it tells true because all the values in set 4, 1, 2, 3 are also available in set 5, and set 5 is anyways a superset, so that can also be tested. So if I say set 5 is superset of set 4, and if I run this, it returns true. So that's all about set methods, and I hope you have learned something from this video. So to test yourself, I have created a quiz for you. What will be the output of the following program? So we have a set 3, 4, 5, and we are running a method update on the list 1, 2, 3. So you need to tell me what will be the output of this when we print it out, and these are the 4 options. So please leave your responses in the comment section and I will reply to your answers. And thanks for watching this video.